Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Farah, and you may have noticed that I haven't been very active here lately. With a full-time job that takes the biggest chunk of my day, running anything on the side makes my time feel genuinely limited. But here I am, and somehow I did find the time to do this. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how. I found a very cool use case to use AI to automate some of the less important stuff that still needs to be done, and it would take me about like half an hour if I did it manually. You can also do this if you want to just get some time back to watch the FIFA World Cup, prepare for interviews, or just plan a trip during a busy time in your life. Let me give you some context about my use case. So, because I create content about cybersecurity on social media, I get a lot of emails about brands regarding sponsorship inquiries or event invites, and some of these brands I honestly have never heard of. And when I do get such an email, I spend a good amount of time researching the company, seeing how long they've been running for, if they have any concerns about security or privacy, or if there's just any chatter about them being shady. So my use case is I want AI to read my emails from the last 24 hours and then send me a message every day on Telegram, which is going to be like a daily briefing. So it tells me which companies have reached out. It's already done the research about how legit they are. So it gives me like a score about how good a fit they are for me, what's their legitimacy, and then it tells me what actions I need to take next and what's the level of urgency on these. First thing I'm going to do is install Tencent WorkBuddy on my MacBook. So I'm just gonna Google this, and then this is the official website. You can see it's like a productivity agent. They have a bunch of skills and you can use it to run a bunch of automation. So this is perfect for me. I'm just gonna use this website to download the app for my MacBook. Okay, it's downloaded now, so let's see what we have here. The use case I'm planning needs to run every day like a scheduled task, so we can most likely use the automations feature here in WorkBuddy. You can see they already have a bunch of templates like briefings and bunch of reminders to help you get started. But before we get into the automation, we need to get the Gmail and Telegram connectors. I'm looking at the connectors here. They have quite a few, but it doesn't look like they have Gmail. Let me try looking in skills. Oh, okay, there's quite a lot of skills here. Like, this is a lot. They have some MCPs, browsers, headless browsers, and you can also filter the skills based on what you want. So they have different ones for content creation, for productivity. Let me just go ahead and search for the one I want, which is Gmail, and we'll see if they have that. Okay, so I do see the Gmail skill over here. So let me install it. And it says Gmail skill install, try it out. Here it already made a prompt for me. So let's see what it does. I'm gonna ask it now to just show emails that need a reply today. And it's doing something, but I'm not sure this is gonna work. It's asking me for a Maton API key. I don't really know what that is. I'm gonna just select how do I set this up because I don't know how to set it up. And I can see that it's given me some instructions. So basically I need to go to Maton AI and get an API key and then log in with that. Okay, so I am on Maton AI right now. Get started and I'm gonna log in. This is what I see after I log in. So I'm just gonna add this Gmail connector that I see here. I'm just logging into Google here so that Maton can access the Gmail. And you can see that the Gmail account has been connected. I'm gonna copy this API key as well because now we're gonna install Maton CLI on my machine using Brew and then log in using that API key. So that's it. Now it's done downloading, and let me check if I can log in with the API key, and I can see that I'm logged in with my email address. And who am I? Okay, perfect. It looks like I'm logged in. Now let's try sending another prompt and seeing if this works. I'm just gonna ask it to check my email and tell me if there are any urgent emails in the last 24 hours. Find skills, searching for tools. It found Gmail. It's checking for active Gmail connections using Maton. And I can see that it is making some kind of query right now. So it looks like it does have access to Gmail. Okay, it looks like it actually did get emails from my Gmail. You can see that there's something about a tax payment, Google security alerts when I had new sign-ins on Mac, and Maton verification codes that were also pretty recent. And some other activity. So actually the email connection worked. Let's move on to the Telegram connection now. Okay, so let's go back to Maton now, and here we can see in the connections that Gmail was just added. So now let me try adding Telegram over here as well. So for linking the Telegram account, I need to get a Telegram bot token. I don't actually have a bot right now, so let me go ahead and create that. For that, I just need to message the bot father username on Telegram and say new bot. And I need to then choose a name. I'm just gonna choose WorkBuddy Farah and send that. Now I need a username for my bot, which needs to end in bot. So I'm just gonna copy this name and add a bot at the end. And at the end, it responded that my bot was created and gave me the bot token. Done. And let me just paste that back in Maton. And that was it. I can see now that my Telegram connection is here as well. Okay, that was not too bad. Let's see if it can send a report of my recent emails to my Telegram just to test if this worked. So I'm gonna go back here and ask it to send this as a report to me on Telegram. Okay, I can see that it's asking me for a Telegram chat ID or a bot token if you have one. So I'm just gonna get the bot token and paste it here. And it's also asking me for a chat ID, and it's also telling me how I can get it by messaging user info bot. So let me go ahead and do that. And yeah, let me paste that chat ID in here. And now I can see that it's trying to send me a message on Telegram. Let me see if it did. Looks like the same report was sent on Telegram. So it gave me a Gmail urgent status report. It has the same points of advanced tax, Google security alerts, Maton verification codes. Okay, cool. That looks like all done. The next step is now to create the automation to do what I want, which is to go read my emails from the last 24 hours, check what brands have emailed me, and then go research the brand and give me like a briefing on Telegram every day. Okay, so back to WorkBuddy, I am going to go to the automations tab now, and I'm gonna create a new automation. I'm gonna name it Daily Influencer Collab Briefing, and this is my prompt here. So acting as a partnership consultant, use the Gmail connector, extract sponsorship emails. For each email, you need to perform an analysis, including company strength, reputation, fit, value, and risk. I've given it scores from 1 to 10, and then it has to give me an analysis based on my profile of Instagram and YouTube and send me the briefing on Telegram. And I'm gonna set this at automation to run daily, and let's say at 5 p.m. Actually, it's also giving me the option to test the automation now. So let me go ahead and try that. Okay, a couple of minutes later, I can see that it has done quite a lot of queries to try and get some emails. It also sent me the briefing on Telegram, but now it's asking me to do something outside the sandbox. And I can choose to allow it once, or I can choose to allow it forever. But I can also deny it. And in this case, I actually don't want it to go outside the sandbox. I don't think there's any need to for this kind of automation. So I'm just gonna deny it. Okay, let's check the Telegram message that it sent me. So it's given me a daily partnership briefing with some new leads. It's also given me some kind of analysis of strength, reputation, fit, value, and risk. Consultant note says that this one is a high intent lead targeting your cybersecurity niche, and it's recommending me to respond with a media kit. This is literally exactly what I need. This is perfect. Now I can be outside watching FIFA matches or be at a barbecue with my friends, and it's going to save me so much time. The results I have here are exactly the same as what I end up with when I do all of this manually, but it takes me 30 minutes to go through all my emails in a day, and then on top of that do research about the brands and also then reply to them. If you want to test this out yourself, WorkBuddy offers a pro plan trial where you get enough credits that you can follow the tutorial in this video for any kind of automation you want. After the trial, it's $9.95 a month and you get 1000 credits. Visit workbuddy.ai to download the app and get started. I will leave the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful and you can create your first AI automation after this. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I'll be posting more videos now that I have all this free time. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.